Computer chess documentation, video number 7. Now in video number 6, we added an ID assignment and a class assignment to all 64 of the buttons. Now we need to create a CSS file. And we'll need to add an entry to the CSS file for each class. For class button 1 and for class button 2. We'll need to link the new CSS file to the web page. So let's get started by opening NetBeans. Now we open NetBeans and we'll go to File, and this is our program, BBGLS, and double click on the index file. And this is our web page that we created in video 1 through video 6. Now we need to create a CSS file. So let's go to File, go to Public, right click, New, Cascading Style Sheet. NetBeans has generated a name for the CSS file, call it New CSS. We're going to show that name and just call it New. Click Finish, and here we have our CSS file. NetBeans has added the .css extension to it, and the file is empty with the exception of the generic code generated by NetBeans. So now that we have the file, we created the file, we need to go back to the index file and link this file to the web page. It should go directly under the title. It can go under the title. So to link the file, we'll need the link tag. We'll need the relationship assignment equals style sheet. And we'll need the location of the CSS file on the hard drive. And it's in the home directory, so there's no need to proceed with any other directory or folder. Now we'll need the ending tag for the link. So here we have the beginning link tag, the ending link tag. The relationship for this file is a style sheet, and the location is home directory, new CSS. So now that we have the CSS file linked, let's go back to the CSS file and add an entry for class 1, button 1, and class 2, button 2, and tell those buttons how big and what color to be. So we'll proceed the first entry with a button, btn1, add brackets. All of the code should go between brackets, and we'll start off with the background color. Now our chessboard is going to be blue and black. So blue is going to represent the white, and black is going to represent the black. So the first button will be blue. We'll change that background color to blue. The height, going to make the height 68px. Going to make the width 78px. And we're going to make the margin 0px for the left, 0px for the right. And so our button 1 will have a blue background. It'll be a height of 68px, a width of 78px, and the margin 0. So now we'll need a similar entry for button 2. Preceded with a period, btn2, brackets, background color, will be black. Height 68 px. Width 78 px. Margin, left margin 0 px. Right margin 0 px. So now let's run the program and see what our chessboard look like. Select Run, click Run Project. And there we have it. We have a chessboard. Now the only thing is that we really don't want this much space between the buttons. So let's go back to our web page, to our CSS file, and instead of 0 margin, let's try a -2 margin for the left, a -2 margin for the right, a -2 margin for the left, a -2 margin for the right. And let's run it now and see what we have. Okay, now we have our chessboard. Computer chess documentation, video number 7. At last, we've completed our chessboard. In video number 1 and video number 2, we drew our chess pieces and placed them in a file for download on the BBgirls game website. Of course, we'll do a quick review on video number 7. Then we can continue on with the complete design of the BBgirls chess game. Until then, please like and subscribe. Play BBgirls Chess online at www.bbgirlsgames.com.